How to add data points to an existing graph in Excel. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Excel on your device. Here, simply click on Chart Design at the top. In Chart Design at the top, click on Select Data. After you click on Select Data, click on Add. After you've clicked on Add in here, select the series and then select the data from there by dragging it downwards and press on OK. After you do this, the series that you have selected and the data you've selected, you'll find points in here after you press on OK. And this is how to add data points on an existing graph in Excel. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.